Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this series of Filmora basic video editing skills, in today's tutorial we will learn how to create zoom in, zoom out, or you can call it pan and zoom effect. Without wasting time, let's start the video. For that you need a clip here, so I already have it in the timeline in my project area. Now, what will I do? I will select a clip to zoom. Let's say I select this and press the scissor button and till here. I again click the scissor button and select this clip. Now press this crop button and click on the pan and zoom. Here you can observe there are two rectangles. One is this green one and other one is the red one. Click on the center one and move it where you want to stop the zoom. You can observe this green arrow. It shows that your zoom is- will start from here till this end. Let's play it. Videos. As a sample, I just have opened one of my videos. Here I will let you know how to write the timestamps. If you are okay with this, press OK button. Now let's play it here. Timestamp in your YouTube videos. I will let you know how to write the timestamps. Let's play with this video clip, and now we are going to zoom out. There is a button here. There is a button in the corner. Just press over here. Now it will reverse the process. Let's play and see. As a sample, I just have opened one of my videos. Here I will let you know how to write the timestamps. To check other options, let's reset our clip. Press reset button. There is another button. Let's play this and see. Views. As a sample, I just have opened one of my videos. Here I will let you know how to write. It zoomed this centered rectangle and move it to the left. Write the timestamps and move it to the right. If you press this, now the centered selected area will move to the left. Let's play. Use. As a sample, okay, and if we try this one near to far, what will happen? Use. As a sample, I just have opened one of my videos. Here I will let you know how to. This is your zoom out effect. If we write the timestamps, this creates zoom out effect near to far. Let's play. Use. As a sample, I just have opened one of my videos. Here I will let you know how to write the timestamps. And if we try this one far too near, let's play it. And let's try this. Use. It creates zoom in effect. Videos. Here I will let you know how to press write OK. If you like the video, press a thumbs up. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification timely so that you do not miss out any of the video of this series. In the next video, we will learn how to export a video clip in different file formats. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.